Welcome. If you're looking for a simple way to save articles or web pages to read later on your mobile device, Google Chrome's reading list feature is exactly what you need. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to use Chrome's reading list on your phone, so you can keep your favorite content organized and accessible anytime. Let's get started. First, open the Google Chrome app on your mobile device. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account for the best experience, especially if you want your reading list to sync across devices. Next, browse to the web page or article you want to save for later. Once you're on the page, look towards the top or bottom of your screen for the bookmark icon, usually shaped like a small star or ribbon. Tap this icon to bring up bookmarking options. Here's where the magic happens. Instead of saving the page to your regular bookmarks, you'll see an option labeled Reading List. Select this option. The page is now added to your reading list, making it easy to find and read later without cluttering up your main bookmarks folder. To access your saved articles, tap the three-dot menu icon in the Chrome app, typically found at the bottom right or top right corner, depending on your device. From the menu, choose Reading List. This will display all the pages you've saved, neatly organized, and ready to read whenever you have a moment. When you're ready to catch up, just tap any item in your reading list to open it. You can also manage your list by marking articles as read or removing them once you're done. That's all there is to it. With Chrome's reading list, you'll never lose track of interesting articles, recipes, or stories you find online. Try it out and enjoy a clutter-free way to save and read content on your own schedule. Thanks for watching, and happy reading.